Right, so what we have here are RSL Education's 11 plus maths practice papers. They look a little bit unusual. You know, you don't get books looking like this very often, but they're absolutely fantastic. They're suitable practice for CEM and GL assessment 11 plus entrance tests, as well as independent school entry exams. Within the sort of document pocket type thing, there are 6 genuinely engaging 11 plus maths practice papers. Each paper has, for some reason, a rather unusual name to it, like Wazoo and Weiwei's Pies. I don't even know how to pronounce that one. And a broad level attributed to it. So for instance, there are 2 standard level, 2 challenging level, and 2 advanced level maths practice papers. It includes full answers, and we'll get to that in a minute. In all, there are about 170 pages of practice material in here. So if we take the first 2 as an example, we'll just briefly go through them. Now, don't be put off by the fairly amateur presentation of these papers. They really are superb to practice with. The questions are challenging for children of all abilities with a broad range of topics. They don't feel repetitive, and it's not just another Key Stage 2 practice paper with some minor changes. So just thumbing through so you can have a decent idea about the sort of questions that are included. What makes these papers special are the worked solutions that are available in the mark scheme. So here's the mark scheme for paper 1. If we look here, 1A says, write down the product of 6 and 7. Really what that's testing is, do children understand what the word product means? It means multiply. And if we look in the answers, it says here 6 times 7 equals 42. The product is what you get when you multiply numbers together, like what you produce when you mix ingredients. As far as I'm aware, there are no other practice papers that have this level of explanation content within them. All of them would otherwise just say the number 42. With this level of detail, it's a bit like having a teacher in your own home. Every single question goes through in this level of detail, and as you get further on, it actually answered that question. For instance, here we can see method 1, then it goes through method 2. In my experience, these are the most realistic, broad-ranging in terms of topics, and challenging 11 plus practice papers available. The handwritten solutions show children how to better structure their working, earn potential method marks, and hence help gain that all-important grammar school place or independent school place. They're available to buy from Exam Ninja now for £17.95.